Hey everyone, today we're unboxing and setting up the Predator 9000 watt generator from Harbor Freight. This is a great mid-size unit with plenty of power, a solid price point, and we're going to show you how to get it ready for first use with some USA made Votex upgrades along the way. Inside the box you'll find the generator itself, the manual, a little toolkit, and some accessories. One important note, our unit did not come with the wheel and handle kit or the battery. If you want to use the electric start, you'll have to purchase a 12 volt 9 amp lead acid battery, all available at Harbor Freight. This model doesn't require a battery to start. It's got the pull start here, but if you're looking for a remote start, the 13000 or the 8750 might be a better fit. The Predator 9000 puts out 9,000 starting watts and 7,250 running watts. You've got multiple outlet types. You've got two 120 volt 30 amp twist lock outlets. One of those is also able to be a 240 volt. It's also got 4 standard household 120 volt outlets and more, all protected by circuit breakers and GFCI where applicable. Before we add oil or fire it up, we're going to make a few key upgrades using parts from Votex. These are designed to improve performance and protect your engine over the long haul, especially because these small engines don't come with oil filters. Let's break them down. First is the Votex Magnetic drain plug. We're installing this before the first startup, which is key, because that initial break-in period is when your engine sheds the most metal particles. This plug uses a rare earth neodymium magnet, one of the strongest types available, and it's rated for high heat, so it keeps working even while the engine is running hot. The particles stick to the magnet instead of circulating through your oil, helping extend engine life significantly. Next, we're upgrading the dipstick. The Votex Magnetic dipstick is made from stainless steel, unlike the factory plastic version, and it's got a powerful magnetic tip to catch debris. It also features a flat O-ring for a better seal and an Allen head in case you accidentally over-tightened it on your last oil change. Now here's an important step. Before filling with oil, compare the factory dipstick to the Votex one so you know where your new high and low marks are. That'll save you time and questions down the road. This generator is also compatible with the Votex valve plug. It makes changing oil simple and mess-free by giving you full control over oil flow. The included 12-inch hose helps direct oil exactly where you want it. No spills, no headaches. It's built compact with 3 high-temp Viton O-rings for a reliable seal you can trust. To finish off this install, we're using Votex crush washers. These help create a clean, leak-free seal when you install the magnetic plug, and they're made right here in the USA. A 20-pack will give you enough to service this generator for years. One thing to note, the Predator 9000 doesn't come with oil, so be sure to grab some 10W30, which is what the manual recommends. You'll also need gasoline to get going. Once oil and fuel are in, double-check all your connections and you're ready to start it up. This model uses a traditional pull start. Give it a few firm pulls and you'll be running. If you opt for the optional battery, you can use the electric start. That's the Predator 9000 watt generator, ready to go, and now better protected thanks to Votex upgrades. We've linked all the parts in the description below, and if you're planning to do your own oil change, be sure to check out our full step-by-step video for that too. We cover tools, tips, and best practices. If this was helpful, give us a like, hit subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.